Boo Dating App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about dating apps is that personality often matters more than photos. Boo is built around that idea, but does it actually work in 2025? Boo is a dating and social app that uses personality compatibility to match users. It emphasizes meaningful connections over endless swiping and includes personality-based profiles. One major pro is depth. Conversations often feel more intentional, and many users appreciate the reduced focus on appearance alone. Boo also includes community features that encourage interaction beyond dating. However, most people get this wrong by expecting instant matches. Boo's smaller user base in some regions can limit options. Premium features are also required to unlock full functionality. In conclusion, Boo is ideal for people tired of superficial dating apps. If you value emotional compatibility and thoughtful conversations, Boo offers a refreshing alternative in 2025.